Major Sir William Newenham Montague Orpen was born on November 27, 1878, died September 29, 1931. He was an Irish artist who worked mainly in London. Orpen was a fine draftsman and a popular, commercially successful painter of portraits for the well-to-do in Edwardian society, though many of his most striking paintings are self-portraits. During World War I, he was the most prolific of the official war artists sent by Britain to the Western Front. There he produced drawings and paintings of ordinary soldiers, dead men, and German prisoners of war, as well as portraits of generals and politicians.